Hello friends. Friends, right? So in this session, we are going to learn something about the permissions in Tableau server. Okay. Friends, before going to that, right? So we are having different kind of permissions. I means like high level is a project level permissions. That is a high level. And next coming to the group level permissions. And again workbook level permissions and view level permissions. These are the four different kind of permission sets we are having. Okay, now in this session, right, so we are going to learn about uh, view level permissions. View level permissions. Okay, so friends, right, so I am having a one workbook with two sheets. One is a cross tab and another one is a bar graph. So now what I am going to do is I am going to publish this one into a server. Just I am going to publish this one into a server. Just I am clicking on publish. So I have published this one into a like a default project. Okay, friends, now the visualization has been published. Now, friends, now you can see these permissions, right? So if you want to give the view level permissions, friends, remember this is a workbook. This book one is a workbook. In this workbook, if you are going to set any permissions here, this is called as a workbook level permissions. Okay, now we are going to learn view level permissions. That is a list level permissions, like individual user, how we are going to assign these permissions. Okay, now if you want to give any view level permissions, right, so you have to click on this workbook. Here you can see these are the views. You can see views 2. These are the different two views we are having. Now in server, right, so we are having two users. One is a Tableau admin and another one is a like Madala Krishna. So now we are going to assign permissions to the Madala Krishna for these views. So for that, what I am going to do is, so see, if for example cross tab this view, right, so here right side you can see three dots, means it's a more actions. Click on that and you can see permissions. Once you click on permissions, now another window is going to be opened. Now in this window, right, so permissions for view cross tab means permissions for view cross tab means here it's saying like for cross tab view we are going to give the permissions. So now you can see friends like all users, right, so this is all users, this is the default, like if you will create any project or something, right, so this is all users are going to be included there. Okay, now you can see this user, right, so is having like view permission and filter permission, view comment, all these things. Wherever you can say green tick mark, right, so these are the permissions already allowed. And here it is a unspecified. It is a unspecified. Now we'll see what is the difference between all these things, right? Okay, now what I'm going to do is for this user, now you can see for this user download access is enabled, and here you can see web edit denied means it's not granted. See, these all are not granted. Now what I want is I want to disable this option, this download full data option. Here you can see this is a download summary data option, this is a download summary, and this is a download full data. So now I am going to this user Madala Krishna. Now here default project, and this is the book workbook, and here cross tab. I am going to click on cross tab. In the cross tab, if you'll go to download option, if you'll click on data, now you can see we are having summary data and full data. Summary data and full data. Now I want to disable this full data option to the user. For example, how we are going to do? This is a view, right? So now I am going to back to here. I am going to select this user. Okay, now right. So I am going to select this user. Now what I am going to do is here add a group or user role. Add a group or user role. So now I am going, what I am going to do, I am going to I am going to select a user by clicking on this option. Now you can see I have a user Madala Krishna. I am clicking on this user. Now I am going to allow view permission and filter. So everything I am going to click allow option. See, now I am going to allow this download summary data option and also customized. And now you can see I am going to disable this option. So you have to double click this one. If you'll click single click means it is going to give green tick mark. If you'll double click means like two clicks means it is going to give denied option. So web edit unspecified, so automatically it is disabled. Okay, no problem. So I am clicking on save option. See friends, now you can see in the bottom side, you can see, you can observe like cross tick mark, like full data option has been disabled. Now I am going back to the report. Now again, go to download option and data. Okay, I have to refresh this friends. Let me refresh this one. Okay, refresh is done. So go to download option and data. Friends, now you can see we were able to see only summary data, not the full data option. So this way, right? So view level you can able to disable. Now we are having another view here. So what about that? Now we are having another bar graph. Now I am opening this bar graph and same going to download and data. Now you can see full data option is enabled because these permissions whatever we have provided, that is at view level, that is at view level. So bar graph is a one view, and here bar graph is a one view and crosstab is a another view. So this is a view level friends, view level permissions. This is a lower level, means each and every individual view we are going and setting the permissions for us users. Okay, this is the view level permissions. Thank you, friends. In the next session, right, so we are going to learn workbook level permissions. If you like this content, please give one like. And also, if you haven't subscribed my channel still, please subscribe the channel. Thanks. Stay safe, friends.